What's up guys, thank you for watching another video. Today we're going to be doing the first mod to the GTR. The very first mod and probably the cheapest mod that I'm ever going to do to the GTR. Everything for this car is super expensive. Exhaust goes from like $3,000 to $4,000 and up. Intakes, all these full bolt down stuff is very expensive. Tunes are very expensive for the car. Everything is very expensive. But today we're actually going to be doing the cheapest mod you can possibly do to this GTR. Before we get into that though, I want to show you guys the E92. I finally washed it and got it detailed and it looks so much better. I freaking love when it's clean and the wheels are actually black. Woo! The wheels are all shiny again, no brake dust. These wheels always are dirty, like they're never black, they're always brown. But finally the car's all clean. But anyways, here is what we're gonna be installing today, the cheapest possible mod that you can do to this car. I purchased these online the first day I bought the car. Right when I seen the car, inside has all yellow lights and also the license plate lights are yellow as well. So I bought these LEDs. These are gonna replace all the yellow lights on the car. Interior, I think the door has a light, the license plate like I said, and I think the mirrors on the top. If you guys remember, the E92 has very, very bright white lights. Let me see if my door is open. E92 has these very bright white lights, as you guys can see. Super bright, and they look a lot more like modern and expensive, I guess. GTR though has these ugly yellow dim lights, so we're gonna be changing all of these out today. And I've never done this before, so hopefully I don't break the car and break the lights. I think I bought these for like 50 bucks for all of them. 50 bucks, and it's gonna be a huge difference. All right, so first I think I'm gonna start off with these. These seem like they might be the easiest, I think. I don't know, I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos on how to do it. I'm gonna turn them off for now because I heard they get really hot. Somebody on YouTube told me that I can use floss to take this out without messing up the car. So let's try it. I don't even know how this is possible, bro. Okay. That didn't sound good. Alright. The first one is out. That was a pain in the butt. The floss didn't do shit. My hands are too slippery. There you go. Alright, that one's out. And I'm guessing these go right in. Oh my god. That's it? Wow. Okay, wait, let's put this back on. Dude, look how much, look at the difference. That is freaking crazy. Yeah, this is literally the best mod you can possibly do. Wait. Oh no. I feel like so much better when we do this one. Alright, now let's do the second one. It literally makes the car look so much newer. This looks like an old ass GTR. Now we look like we're in a 2020 GTR. The second one is in. This is honestly super easy. What I did was just pull the other bulb out and just pop the other one in. It's that easy. I thought it was gonna be way more complicated, but the hardest part is taking this off. Wow, that's crazy. You guys saw the before and after.
And then there's that.
Yeah, the door ones are next. These I think I could just put a screwdriver in and pop out. Oh, broke it. Salvage title. Oh my god, that shit's hot. There you go. Just like that. And let me put the cover back on. Dude, that's the easiest mod I've ever done. Damn. Dude. Alright guys. All the lights are in. All 4 of them. There's none in the back, only in the front. Dude, I literally can't even see. Those lights are so bright. I was looking at them for like a good 30 minutes. But last but not least, we're gonna change out these license plate ones. These look like they're gonna be a pain in the butt. I don't even know how to do this. I might have to watch a YouTube video real quick. I guess it was a little tab that you pull right here and then you pull it down. Easy as that. Damn. Yeah, that's a huge difference. Super white compared to the yellow that I had. That's way better. Woo. all done. After I burnt my finger, so bad doing that light. That light was super hot. Oh, fuck, that shit hurt. But look how much better it looks. And now you can definitely see how dirty the car is too. I flipped the car around. Now the next thing I want to do is try to remove this Nissan logo. Some of you guys actually noticed I photoshopped this logo out in some of the photos I put. I'll put them right here. But some of you guys actually noticed the Nissan logo wasn't there, but it was just Photoshop. But now I actually want to take it off for real this time. I heard it's not that hard. Supposedly it takes like a few minutes. The thing that is hard though is to take off like the sticky residue that's there after. I've been watching YouTube videos. That's all I've been doing today. They said that Goo Gone will help take off that sticky residue. Floss, this is just regular teeth floss, will help take off the logo itself. And then a little bit of heat with the heat gun. Not too much because I don't want to mess up the paint. And I really hope I don't mess up the paint, because if I mess up the paint, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna freak the fuck out. I don't know how I'm gonna film this because I'm all by myself again, but finally almost got it all the way through. I had to turn the camera off because it was way harder than I thought. But just like that, the logo is off. Damn. Now is what everyone says is the worst part. Is taking off all this gooey stuff. I'm gonna go along with the Goo Gone and try to take off all this little sticky residue. Alright guys, after like a good 20 minutes, maybe even 30, the logo is off and you can't even tell. So freaking clean. At first I was very scared because it looked like there was very minor scratches from the floss. I think I did it a little too hard, but what I did was I used some of this Adams polish and I'm gonna put some wax on it. And I'm also keeping it super clean. I use like waterless wash. I've been using this Adams detailer, all these good products to help. You'd never be able to tell there was a Nissan logo there. And look at that, it just looks so much more meaner. Like, I don't know why, but to me, taking off the Nissan logo just makes it look like modified. I don't know, like it looks like a crazy ass GTR from the back. No Nissan logo, just clean. Oh, there you go guys, I waxed and polished it. Now it's super clean. You cannot see any residue. You cannot even tell there's been a logo there. And it's so sick. I like it way better. Let me know what you guys think. I think it looks way better. Check this thing out. Oh shit, that's funny. Imagine I put a BMW logo on the GTR just for a picture and see what people would say. New LEDs, no Nissan logo. The first little mods to the GTR. Alright guys, before I end today's video, I wanted to show you guys this real quick. You guys have seen these in the vlogs before, but I wanted to let you know that I still have a couple of these left. A freaking sexy E36 that I used to have. The E92, my personal favorite piece of merch that I made. And we have the racing stripes on the sleeves. Such a sick photo. My favorite photo of these cars. But yeah, I have a couple of these left if you guys want to cop them. Like always, I'm gonna leave the link down below in the description. These are the only ones I have left in all sizes. Literally tell you guys exactly how many we have right now. I have one small, I have 3 mediums, 3 larges, and 10 extra larges and 2 double XL. So we have maybe about 10 to 15 more of these, and that is it. No more hoodies, and I'm not gonna make any more. I'm sorry, a lot of people are asking me for the Beamer Club hoodies. They're very limited. I told you guys from the start, they're very limited. If you guys have one, you guys got one, and that's all I'm gonna make of these kinds. If you guys got these first drop, you guys got something very limited, and only a few of you guys have, and I can't wait to see more of you guys rocking these. If you guys want to grab one of these, go grab one. It's the first link in the description, findingnick.bigcartel.com. Only a few left and we're completely sold out. And thank you guys so freaking much for helping me sell out of all this merch. My first merch drop. Freaking love you guys. It's freaking crazy how like some of you guys are tagging me in photos across the world, like in Germany, on Australia, the craziest places ever. It's just insane to see some people supporting me like that, buying a hoodie coming from my living room. I shipped this out from my living room and it's all the way on a plane, on a boat, wherever it goes, to Germany, like to Australia, to all these crazy places, South Africa. So much love, guys. Thank you so much. I read all the comments, read all the DMs, see all the Instagram posts, and it's freaking awesome. Thank you. And new merch is coming soon with the GTR. Wait on it. That merch is freaking fire. I wish I could show you guys, but I can't yet. It's coming soon. Wait on it. Thank you for watching today's video. Smash the like button, subscribe to your boy if you're not already. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.